Hey garden friends, and welcome back to my channel, Our Country-ish Acre. If you're new here, my name is Rachel and I'm a gardener that lives in Western Pennsylvania. For reference, we are in growing zone 6A here with a last frost date normally between May 7th and 10th, somewhere in there. It is a cool early spring day. I think the high today is going to be like 45, which is not my ideal temperature for working outside, but I did want to jump into this project that I've been wanting to do and just get it done and crossed off the list. At least it's sunny out and not raining or not gloomy, cloudy. So working in the sun definitely does help with making it more enjoyable. But for today, I wanted to just kind of take you along with a little hardscaping project. Unfortunately, not really anything gardening, but it is garden related. So we have an area around our septic that I've landscaped, and I've decided that I don't really obviously want anything growing super close to where the septic mounds are. So what we're going to do is just kind of make like a faux dry creek bed around it. And by that, I mean, we're just going to take some rocks and put them around like the covers, and hopefully that'll just help with making it look a little bit nicer instead of kind of how it looks right now, which is not awful, but I just think it'll look a little bit nicer to do it this way, be more purposeful, and it'll kind of help with keeping weeds out and that sort of thing. So let's get to it. So I got all of my rocks out of my car and I brought them down here. I chose to do a mix of pondstone and multicolored beach pebble because I wanted just a little bit of varying sizes just to add a little bit more interest instead of doing everything all about the same size. So I think that'll look really great. I am slightly concerned that I didn't buy enough bags of rocks, so we're gonna have to just kind of see how much we can get, how far we can go along, and I might have to kind of put a pin in this project and get more rocks, but we'll see. So let's get to it. So there we have it. Super quick project. It took me probably less than an hour to do, and I don't know why. I procrastinate on doing it. It happens every time. A project I think is going to be an utter nightmare, doesn't take too long to do, and I should have just done it in the first place. So here's to doing more of that in 2026. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and until next time, friends.